Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be creating a fun pink spring mani using dip powders from Bling Galleria. Now these three colors here are part of a collection called the Tickle Me Pink collection, which consists of these three beautiful shimmery colors. And these colors right here are perfect for the upcoming spring and Easter season, especially that beautiful glitter that is called pink lace. It's giving me all those Easter vibes, and I really like these colors. I think this trio is super pretty, and you could pair it with a lot of other colors as well, pastel blues or purples. It can just really go with a lot of different colors, so I really like that about this collection. Now these three colors are sold as a set, or you can get them individually, whichever you prefer. And today for the mani, we are going to be doing the gel method. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply that gel base all over to the entire nails, but I really want to focus that gel base in the center of the nail first, and then I'm going to work that product up to the cuticle line and then all the way down to the free edge, just to make sure that I'm taking my time and I'm not getting any of that gel base underneath the nail. If you do and you cure it, it's gonna lead to some buildup up there, and then you're gonna have to try and file that off. So to prevent any of that gel base from flooding onto the other side of the jelly tips, I just go ahead and focus that product in the middle of the nail first. Okay, so check out that first dip. It is beautiful. This pink is so pretty. It's a very soft, elegant pink, and that shimmer is so beautiful. Pink Pearl is definitely the perfect name for this color. Okay, so let's dive into this mani process, and then I'll pop back in at the end with my final thoughts. All right, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and how pretty and pink is this mani? This is the perfect springtime mani that I was going for. I definitely am stuck in the winter blues right now here in Wisconsin. It has been nonstop snowing and rainy, and I'm ready for a pop of pink and spring in my life right now. So these colors definitely helped cure those winter blues. So I will go ahead and link everything that I used in today's mani in the description box below. If these pink colors were not your cup of tea, head over to Bling Galleria on Etsy. She has tons of beautiful, unique dip powders, and you definitely will find something that will catch your eye. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.